Hello there, welcome to your French lesson with Franco Planet. Today we're learning about the reflexive verbs, les verbes pronominaux. Reflexive verbs are preceded by the pronoun se in their infinitive form. Generally speaking, the presence of se indicates that the subject is performing an action on himself or herself or itself. The reflexive pronouns are for je, me, for tu, te, for il, ce, for elle, ce, for nous, nous, for vous, vous, for il, ce, for elle, ce. We are going to see how these verbs are conjugated in the present tense for now. Our example today is se réveiller, to wake up. Je me réveille, I wake up myself. Tu te réveilles, you wake up yourself. Il se réveille, he wakes up himself. Elle se réveille, she wakes up herself. Nous nous réveillons, we wake up ourselves. Nous vous réveillez, you wake up yourself or yourselves. Ils se réveillent, they wake up themselves. Elles se réveillent, they wake up themselves. That's it for now. Please visit our website francoplanet.com to join the courses. We offer all kinds of courses for adults and children. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel so you may have access and get notified of the free French lessons and learning content that we will be uploading. Merci! Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson with Franco Planet, votre destination française.